How to fix WhatsApp, adjust date error on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp, adjust date error on Android phone. First, open settings and then scroll down until you find apps and then click apps again. And here you will find here you need to find WhatsApp. Click WhatsApp here, and now click storage, clear cache. Now just go back and try again, and if that does not fix your problem, just go back to settings, scroll down until you find system and updates, and then click date and time. Now here this one set automatically you will find it like that, disable it. Now just enable it and go back, try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.